Hello students, in today's lecture we'll see a problem on coefficient of correlation and regression lines. The problem is compute x bar and y bar and r from the following equation of regression line: 2x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0 and x plus 6y minus 4 equal to 0. Solution. So the given two regression line are not in a proper form, means one regression line we want y on x and another regression line we want x on y. So first the given regression line, we'll write it as it is, that is 2x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. So this is given in the question, and similarly second regression line is x plus 6y minus 4 equal to 0. I will give equation number 1 for this, and next equation I will give number 2. So given equation I have taken as it is. So to obtain x bar and y bar, we must write this lines, regression line, in the form what here, y on x and x on y. So what I will do here, so to find the value of r we need that form correctly, that is the regression line form. This is also a regression line, but we have to make one equation as y on x and second equation as x on y. So let's see. So suppose we write 1 and 2 as what here, 1 I will write y on x, means keep y value on the left hand side, remaining all we have to shift to the right hand side. So y value on left hand side means 3y will keep here only, remaining all will shift to the right hand side. It is minus 2x and minus 1. Fine. Similarly for the equation number 2, so we have to take opposite of this. In this first equation we have kept y value outside, that is 3y. So in the second equation this is y on x. So in the second equation we have to take opposite, we have to keep x term as it is, remaining all we have to shift it. So that is minus 6y minus plus 4. So these are the equation y on x and x on y. So this equation will pass us through the point x bar and y bar, and we'll check here. So when above equation passes through x bar y bar, we get what here, we get 3y bar equal to minus 2x bar minus 1 and x bar is equal to minus 6y bar plus 4. So what I will do here, so we will not use this equation, already we have these equations, directly will apply. So but see that it's supposed to be, if you have to shift to the right hand side, it will become minus 1 and this will become plus 4. So to get x bar and y bar, so we'll go for equation option 5, then first one. So the given 1 and 2 equation only will apply. It is one and the same. You shift this plus 1 to the right hand, it will become minus 1, that is constant value, we have to take outside equal to sign. So this minus 4 you should shift it plus 4. So while entering, be careful. So coefficient of x is 2, equal to sign, coefficient of y is 3 here, so press equal to sign, then shift this plus 1 to the right hand side, it will become minus 1. Be careful. Then coefficient of x is 1, then coefficient of y is 6, and shift this minus 4 to the right hand side, it will become plus 4. So if you press equal to sign, so x bar value is minus 2, then y bar value is 1. So note down. So therefore x bar is minus 2 and y bar is 1. So these are the required mean. These are the what here, required means. So now we needed the coefficient of correlation. So now we'll come back and we'll use these equations now. So we'll use this equation y on x. So I will say this is equation number 3 now. So using equation 3 having y on x and x on y. So these equations will take the coefficient and will go for what here? Coefficient of correlation. Coefficient of correlation is r equal to what here? It is plus or minus square root of coefficient of x into coefficient of y. So according to equation number 3, coefficient of x is minus 2, and so here in the first equation coefficient of x is minus 2 and coefficient of y is minus 6. So apply here. So plus or minus square root of minus 2 into minus 6. So if you simplify this, you will check the answer here. So if you check this answer, square root of minus 2 into minus 6 and check the answer. So it is coming 3.46. You can observe here the answer is coming 3. I will check just again once again. So there is a correction here. Once again I will repeat this. So just see here. So this is only supposed to be y. So you have to cross multiply this y to the right hand side. This 3 you multiply to the right hand side. So it will become minus 2 by 3 and this will become 1 by 3. So these are the equations. So coefficient of x is minus 2 by 3 and coefficient of y is minus 6. So this value we have to apply here actually. So what happens here? So therefore once again I will take square root of minus 2 by 3 into, and coefficient of this is minus 2 by 3 and coefficient of y is minus 6. Then check the answer. So answer is coming here 2. So answer is coming how much here? Plus 2, plus or minus 2, but this is rejected. Reason of rejection is what here? R always greater than equal to minus 1 and less than equal to plus 1. So this R value what we got, this is what here? Wrong. So this is rejected. Means what we have chosen here, come back, what we have chosen, first equation we have taken y outside and second equation we have kept x outside. So we have to reverse it. For the first equation we have to keep x outside and for the second equation we have to keep out here y outside. So therefore we can replan for equation 1 and 2. So we have taken for equation number what here? So y is equal to this, we have cross multiplied minus 3. So minus 2 by 3x minus 1 by 3. So now for the equation number 1 we'll keep 2x on the left hand side and we have to rearrange. So then we multiply this 2 to the right hand side. So we'll rearrange and we'll perform once again the same process, but x bar and y bar will remain unchanged. So we got these two values. So we no need to check this. Only we need to check for what here? Regression correlation coefficient. We'll check that one now. Now we'll rearrange the equation number 1 as, so as you know that I will just take that equation number 1. So this equation number 1. So we'll take we'll keep 2x in the left hand side, remaining all will shift to the right hand side, minus 3y plus 1, which may be written as, cross multiply this 2, so it will become x is equal to minus 3 upon 2y, this is minus 1, minus 1. Okay, and second equation will keep y outside, that is 6y is equal to minus x plus 4, which may be written as what here? Cross multiply this 6. So it will become y is equal to minus 1 upon 6 into x plus 4 upon 6. So these are the two equations. So now we'll use the coefficient of y as minus 3 by 2 and coefficient of x as minus 1 upon 6. So now So we'll apply in r value. So therefore r is equal to plus or minus square root of, so coefficient of x is minus 1 upon 6 and coefficient of y is minus 3 upon 2. So we'll apply this in the calculator and we'll check now. So you just see here. So square root of, I will take a division inside. So minus 1 upon 6 into, next one more division, minus 3 divided by 2 and press equal to sign. You will find 1 by 2 answer. So it is nothing but plus or minus 1 by 2, or 1 by 2 is nothing but what here, 0.5. Now this result what we got, it is nothing but what here, it is fulfilling the criteria of regression coefficient of correlation, because it is less than and equal to plus or minus 1. So I can say that, because I will take r value, but r is equal to, I will consider minus 0.5, because our coefficient of x and coefficient of y both are negative, therefore r. So therefore finally so x bar value is minus 2, y bar value is 1 and r value is minus 0.5. So this is the required solution. So be careful. So first what I have shown, that is testing. See, sometime if suppose you have taken this kind of equation directly, so first kind of situation is not possible. If you are getting the answer less than or equal to plus or minus 1, so you have to consider that only. So no need to go for other part here.